IVM.
Namaskar. My name is Ashish Vidyarthi. How are you, dear friend? Good to see you here on Begin the Journey. I am inviting you to pick small fights. Pick small fights. That's right, dear friend. Pick small fights. I pick small fights because when you pick small fights, you're avoiding one big fight later on. Be it in my personal relationship with my wife Pilu, with my son Arth, with people I work with, my dear friends, whoever, I pick small fights. I'm very clear. I need to deal with things when they are still small, not when they become large. Over a period of time, if you look at life, there are small things that are happening around you which you may not be liking, which you think should not happen. If you don't bring it out, then the person who is doing that will not have time, will not have space to make those changes, which can be made because they are just small changes. Now, over a period of time, those same habits have become entrenched and therefore they result in bigger fights. People will say, why didn't you tell me before? For so long it's been going on. You never complained. Why are you saying now? For me, small fights allow not just others, but we ourselves can make those changes in our lives. I encourage people to make and give corrections to me. I tell them, hey, if it's not working out, please point it out to me. Because those changes may seem slight to me at that moment. But if I allow it to continue, then even for me, they will become habits. So, dear friend, I'm requesting you. In fact, I'm inviting you. Pick small fights. Make small fights in your relationships at your place of work. I promise you, people will actually acknowledge you that you did not let things get out of hand. We sometimes avoid uncomfortable conversations. We say, come on, let it go on. So, be it habits, be it things that people are doing, be it things that you are doing. Allow people and allow yourself to make those corrections. After all, we don't want to take dastardly big actions later on. So I would love to hear your thoughts on how it is for you when you can pick up small fights and make sure that larger fights are avoided. Al Shukran Bandhu, Al Shukran Zindagi. Would love to hear how this impacts your life. Cheers. See you the next time on Begin the Journey.
I hope you enjoyed that show. I'd like to thank our sponsors this week, Intel, for supporting us. First, right off the bat, want to congratulate Ashton Doctor on celebrating the 300th episode of The Habit Coach. It's a great show. If you haven't been listening to it, listen to it now. And if you listen to it, you can almost go for an entire year with an episode a day. It's really fun. Do definitely check that out. Arjun Koladi, the head of sales for Spotify in India, was on Advertising is Dead. Do check that out. Really fun show. On Cyrus Says, we had Samit Basu, the author, fantasy author, one of my favorites. Definitely do check that out. It was Memorial Week this week on the IVM network. He was on Cyrus Says Cock and Bull on Thursday. He was on Litnama and, of course, his own podcast, Postcards from Nowhere. Do check that out. And one last note before we go. IVM Likes is back, and we've been doing a bunch of interesting conversations about different pop culture things that you might want to check out during the pandemic. Do give it a listen. I'm sure you'll enjoy that. And with that, I hope to see you again next week.
Remember the last vacation you took? What about the one you took 3 years ago? Okay, how much do you really remember? It's a question I've asked myself often over a decade of traveling the world. Hey, I'm Utsav and I do not travel the world for a living. I have a full-time job and responsibilities, but I have made traveling the world a priority. Priority enough that I negotiate extra leave in my job contracts, obsessively track my frequent flyer miles, and I'm willing to take off at the sight of a cheap ticket. Yes, I am cheap. I have lived and worked in 3 countries. I understand human behavior for a living. And these experiences have given me unique insights into places, people, and culture. With over a decade of travel behind me, I increasingly realized one thing, that we cannot see everything. So whatever we see, we must see deeply. Because as the film of memory decays, the imprints which will stand the test of time are the ones felt by the immersion of the senses, not by fleeting encounters with them. Postcards from Nowhere is an immersion into the world of slow travel, one story at a time. Tune in every Thursday on the IVM Podcasts app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.